Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pedal board is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any guitarist or bassist who uses effects pedals. It keeps your pedals organized, protects them from damage, and makes it easy to transport them to gigs or rehearsals. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best pedal boards on the market and help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Hiree Guitar Pedal Power Supply. This power supply is designed for effect pedals. It features 7 individual outputs, providing isolated power to your pedals. Short circuits in one channel won't affect the others. It also includes 2 safe AC outlets. You can use these to charge your other devices, like speakers or keyboards. The total output is 600 W. Each of the 7 outputs has its own short-circuit protection. This means if one pedal has an issue, it won't affect the rest of your setup. It keeps everything safe. This power supply has a built-in noise filter. It ensures a clean and clear sound, so you can enjoy your playing without any unwanted noise. You will love it. It's compact and comes with a detachable power cord. This makes it easy to manage and carry wherever you go. It also supports a wide range of input voltages, perfect for travel. What we like. This power supply offers 7 isolated outputs, ensuring clean power for your pedals. Plus, it features 2 AC outlets, perfect for powering additional devices like your amp or keyboard. If you need a versatile power solution with extra charging capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect pedal power supply. I use the top 2 2-prong plug-ins to provide the power source to my 2 other main pedal power supplies. Makes everything that much easier to customize for a cleaner transferable pedal board setup. Number 4. Ghostfire SPL-04 Pedal Board. This Ghostfire pedal board is incredibly light, weighing only 1.76 pounds. It's made of aluminum alloy, making it easy to carry around. It's perfect for musicians on the go. Crafted from 5052 ultra-hard aluminum alloy, this pedalboard is built to last. The surface is sandblasted and sprayed for a premium feel. It also features ABS rounded corners for added protection. The unique foot stand design provides an ergonomic tilt for easy access. It can be easily opened for use and folded away for storage. This feature enhances both usability and portability. The pedalboard comes with prefixed loop magic tape. You can easily attach your pedals with the included hook tape. This makes setup quick and straightforward. The included bag offers ample space for the pedalboard and accessories. It has a fixed strap and a side pocket for cables. It can be carried in multiple ways, making travel a breeze. What we like. This pedalboard is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry to gigs. The unique ergonomic design with a tilted board makes it easier to step on your pedals. If you're a gigging musician who values portability and ease of use, you'll love it. What people say. Comes with one side of Velcro already attached to the board. Also has Velcro underneath to attach a power supply. Comes with Velcro to attach to pedals, 3 patch cables, zip ties and tie blocks for securing wires underneath, and super strong 3/4-inch cable wraps. Number 3. Vangoa VPPD-S Portable Folding Pedalboard. This pedalboard features a built-in, truly isolated power supply. It has 8 outputs, which greatly reduces noise. This design makes everything tidy and easy to use, letting you focus on your music. It's a small, portable pedalboard, perfect for taking anywhere. Despite its compact size, it can still hold 5 to 7 pedals. The power supply is hidden inside, maximizing space. The 20-degree angle makes it easy to reach your pedals. It ensures accurate operation on stage. Durable foot pads keep the board stable whether it's flat or angled. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's strong but lightweight. The one-piece bent design provides maximum stability. It's built to last and support your pedals reliably. The light effects enhance your performance. This pedalboard ensures excellent sound and lighting, building up to an exciting climax. Make your show unique and more exciting with it. What we like. This pedalboard has a built-in isolated power supply, eliminating ground loop noise. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and the foldable legs provide a comfortable playing angle. If you're looking for a compact, all-in-one solution for your pedal setup, it's a great choice. What people say. It has small and long output cords to reach all your pedals no matter where you place them on the board, for strong Velcro strips, to cover the whole board. It has 10 9V 300 mA outputs, most pedals are 9V and under 100, and a 12V at 500 mA and an 18V at 500 mA. The Velcro holds pedals securely, allowing for multiple pedal arrangements. Number 2. Guitar pedalboard with power supply, carrying bag. This guitar pedalboard is made of lightweight aluminum alloy, making it easy to carry. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it's perfect for gigs or home practice. The pedalboard comes with a built-in power supply. It includes everything you need, like a carrying bag, adapter plug, and cables. You can easily connect your pedals and start playing. The included carrying bag is waterproof and durable. It protects the pedalboard and your pedals during transport. The bag size is 21.2 by 4.3 by 6.6 inches. The pedalboard features a slight incline for comfortable use. It also includes hook and loop tape to securely attach your pedals. Your pedals will stay in place during use and transport. This guitar pedalboard is great for both beginners and professionals. It's designed to make using your guitar effects pedals easy, whether you're on stage or at home. What we like. This pedalboard is made of lightweight aluminum alloy, making it easy to transport. It comes with a built-in power supply and a carrying bag, providing everything you need in one package. If you're a beginner or a professional looking for a complete and portable solution, consider it. What people say. Comes with AC adapter and all the plugs necessary to string up your effects. Velcro tape works good for attaching the pedals to the board. The power supply and parts given with the pedalboard are very good, and the USB outlet is awesome. I added LED lights to mine. Number 1. AKLOT pedalboard with built-in power supply. This AKLOT guitar pedalboard is made of aluminum alloy, making it ultra-lightweight and portable. It's perfect for musicians on the go, offering a convenient solution for your effects pedals. Unlike other pedalboards, this one has a built-in power supply, eliminating the need for an extra purchase. It also features noise reduction and short-circuit protection, ensuring stable and reliable performance. A carrying bag is included, providing a convenient way to store and transport the pedalboard and accessories. This makes it easy to take the board to gigs or rehearsals. The board is designed with a slight incline for comfortable pedal access. Hook and loop is used to secure your pedals, keeping them firmly in place during use. The AKLOT pedalboard is user-friendly, with indicators showing the power supply's status. It comes with everything you need, including a power adapter, carrying bag, cables, and more, suitable for all skill levels. What we like. This pedalboard features a built-in power supply, saving you the cost of an extra one. It's designed with a slight incline for comfortable pedal access. If you want a compact and user-friendly pedalboard with a built-in power supply, this is the perfect option. What people say. It holds about 5 standard-sized pedals and came with all the right wires and some Velcro as well. Came with the Velcro for the board pre-installed. Includes cable ties. Handy if you use them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.